Hi guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I'd like to share with you two pretty home decor ideas. One is a gorgeous cylinder vase with a floating candle and the other is a beautiful mirrored wall sconce. I made these with items I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'll leave a complete list of everything I used to complete these projects in the description section below. So if you're interested in how I made these, just keep watching. So I'm going to start with the cylinder vase that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to clean off any fingerprints or oil or anything that's on the vase. It'll make it very easy for the hot glue or any adhesive to stick to the container. Here I'm going to use the Flower Diamond Rhinestone Mesh Wrap. I picked this up from Amazon. I got 10 yards for $9.99. So right here I'm just deciding where I'm going to place this wrap, either at the top, the bottom, or the center, but I really settled on applying it to the center of the vase. So I noticed that there are some black lines that have been applied to the back of the wrap. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove that because I could see that it was very visible through the glass vase. So I'm going to use this Sharpie magic marker. This is a metallic silver, and I'm just going to go over the black lines. Once I did that, it looked as if it was never there. You can find these metallic markers at either Michael's, but I picked mine up from Amazon, guys. But I did see them at Michael's. So look how easy that looks. It looks like I'm erasing it, but all I'm doing is drawing over it. So right now I'm just going to apply a small bit of hot glue and apply the wrap to the center of the cylinder vase. Here I'm going to apply this beautiful clear brooch that I picked up from Totallydazzled. I'm just going to apply that to the center of the wrap. And that's what that looks like. It came out absolutely gorgeous and it was fast and easy to make. So now I'm going to use this round mirror that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and in the back is the information that you guys told me you want to see. When I can, and if I remember, I will show you the numbers and the name of the product on the label. So now I'm just going to remove the plastic, and what I'm going to do is use this Art Deco metallic paint. The color is called Shimmering Silver or Shimmering Gray, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of painter's tape to the perimeter of the mirror. So now I'm going to paint the frame silver. This is the first coat of paint. I'm going to apply 2 coats. I'm going to let the first coat dry for a half hour. I'm going to come back in, repaint it, and give it a nice solid silver color. So while that dries, I'm going to apply some wrap to this small vase that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Using a small bead of glue, I'm going to apply this wrap to the top of this small vase. Now I'm going to apply these small embellishments. These are called Moon-Rocks, and I picked these up from Amazon. I'm going to apply that to 3 sides of this vase. This is the side I'm going to adhere to the mirror. So now I went back into the frame and added the final coat of paint, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I did pop the mirror out of the frame. It was easier to paint the frame without the mirror attached. So it popped out very easily, and I'm going to replace that once this frame is dry. So now here's the frame, it's all dry. So before I apply the mirror, I'm going to add these embellishments to the inner perimeter of the frame. So now I'm going to add the same wrap to the top of the frame. I'm also going to apply it to the outer edge or the outer perimeter of the frame. So now I'm just going to pop the mirror back into the frame. I'm going to make sure the cardboard is secure in the slots, and then I'm going to add a small bit of hot glue around the perimeter of the mirror to ensure that the cardboard and the mirror don't detach from the frame. And it absolutely looks gorgeous. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 4 of those small embellishments. I'm going to add those to the frame. I'm just going to add 4, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and 2 on the sides. So now I'm just cleaning off the mirror and the small vase of any fingerprints, and I'm going to add some E6000 to the vase, and I'm going to adhere it to the mirror. And once it dries, our beautiful wall sconce will be ready to go. So now that that's in place, I'm going to add a small bag of coins just to add some weight. I'm going to set it inside the vase so that it can affix itself to the mirror. And about 5 hours later, I hung the mirror up with a command strip, and this is what I have. It came out absolutely beautiful. And look at the cylinder vase, it's really gorgeous, and that floating candle is gorgeous. I picked up the floating candle from Michael's for $3. I think it came in a set of 2, so I got 2 for $3. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining me again, guys. God bless. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.